If you're seeing the FHE01 error in Forza Horizon 6, here's a step-by-step way to resolve it. Start by opening your web browser and searching for the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Go to the official Microsoft website, scroll to the latest release, and download the x64 version. After the file finishes downloading, close your browser and run the installer by double-clicking it. Accept the license terms by checking the box, then click Install and wait for the process to complete. Once that's done, open the Start menu and type msconfig into the search bar, then launch System Configuration. Navigate to the Services tab and enable the Hide All Microsoft Services option. Look through the list, and if you find any Citrix-related services, uncheck them to disable. After that, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Restart your computer if prompted. Finally, launch Forza Horizon 6 again and check whether the FHE01 error has been fixed.